Hello, everybody. My name is Triami, and today I am going to try my luck and change this. As you can see, these are busted. Some of them they're working, like this is working, but it doesn't actually have a pin to go inside it. You can see, you know, there's nothing that goes inside there. So I'm planning to just switch and hopefully it goes well because I am unlicensed and I have no experience except for YouTube. All the main switch are off and don't mind my cat, that's Pablo. All the switches in the houses are off and the main switch is off. Now, please make sure you have your plug to replace what's damaged. In this house, we currently have one, two, three, four, five, six, around six damaged plugs. I bought six of these. And you will need a toolbox. I would recommend this type of toolbox because it is a multi-purpose toolbox and you can not only use it for your plugs, but as well you can use it for other devices like your radio, mobile, watches, etc. Just a bit of caution if you guys are planning to change a switch, make sure you do it in the daytime because of natural light so that you are able to see. And if you do plan to do it in the night, make sure you are carrying a torch with you. I prefer daytime because this is fully lit. First thing we gotta do is unscrew. As you can see here, there's no screw. And here we got a screw. I have taken this out before. So I'm just uh, always remember anti-clockwise is to open and clockwise is to close. Mm. As you can see, these are the internal parts. I'm not sure what these wires for, but what we have to do, there are screws one, two, and three, and they should be unscrewed. Yeah. Oh, okay. Just pull it out. Okay. It doesn't come up fully. I guess it has its own reasons. Cool. Anyway, have to change this. We got a new one. Oh, and it comes with its own. Okay. Okay. The plug goes in here. So let me just loosen it up. Well, see like I told you. Need to loosen some more. Okay. The green goes over here. Always remember, guys, if you want to unscrew anti-clockwise, you want to screw, you go clockwise. Then, instead, then we push it in, and then we put the screws in. It does come with an extra pinhole to put it in, but you don't need two of them. Just use one of them. As you can see, these are other three. You know, they don't close. This one closes. As you can see, some of the screws are corroded or burned, which makes it a bit difficult. But I will try to find a solution. Now that I finished changing these two switches, these two plugs, it's time to check if what I did is correct. So I got my phone charger, the plug, and these are the USB ports that do light up. So I need to check if they're working. This one did not need any changing because it's still functioning well. Light is working. As you can see, it lights up. So that is good. Indicator for us. We tried the new plug. It fits. That's number one. That's very important. Number two, it lights up. Yes, 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 yes. And you try the second plug. Okay. It lights up. Hey, I am happy, happy, happy. I did not expect it to work actually. Bravo. This side, I did face some issues. I believe I'm lacking a scissor mechanic thing, which I need to get to unscrew, and probably I need to get a WD-40 to loosen up the screws. It's a bit tight, and if I cannot loosen it, I may have to cut the wires and reattach everything. But on the bright side, I did manage to change this. So this is our indicator if what I did was well on this side. Number one, does it get in? It does. That is a good sign. Does it light up? The moment of truth. Yes, 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 yes. Fantastic. For some of them, it may get in, but it may not, you know, light up. The victim doesn't get in at all properly. I am truly excited. Once I get this to sorted out, I will share the pictures. Ciao.